Hydrocolloid is also very helpful in assisting with a hard-to-seal wound dressing. The hydrocolloid will absorb some moisture, so it is a great option in moist areas, such as the groin, a foot, or perineal wounds. Cut the hydrocolloid in strips about 1 to 3 centimeters wide and picture frame your wound with the strips. Remember to use skin prep under and on top of the strips. Then, cover the wound with the transparent film. The transparent film will stick very well to the hydrocolloid strips. Hydrocolloid strips may also be used around pin sites. Dress the wound as you normally would, and turn on the negative pressure wound therapy. Once the suction is applied, place short strips around each pin site until the seal is tight.